Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make falafel waffles with zucchini hummus. This is such a delicious combo and easy to make. I did not use any chickpeas in this recipe. This is completely vegan savory waffles. Let's jump into the making. Let's make the zucchini hummus recipe. For that, I have taken one zucchini and peeled the skin off it. You can use any number of zucchini and adjust your recipe according to it. I have cut it into small rounds. Let's steam it for about 5 to 6 minutes until soft. Once done, dry the excess water over a tissue paper. I have taken 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a blender. I am going to grind it into a fine powder. Set it aside. Let's grind half cup of roasted sesame seeds to powder. Do not add any liquid while grinding it. Now you can see it have been powdered well. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and grind it again to a fine paste. This creamy paste is called as tahini. Let's add the rest of the ingredients in the blender. Add half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Add the steamed zucchini slices. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Half teaspoon salt. Adjust it according to your taste. Quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Quarter teaspoon of chili powder. I forgot to add garlic pieces. Add half big or 1 small garlic and grind it well. Adjust salt to taste. This is how it looks. See how creamy it is. That's it. Our zucchini hummus is done. Next, let's make the falafel waffles. For that, I have taken 2 garlic pieces, half an onion, handful of coriander or cilantro stalks. Grind everything to a coarse paste. You can add 1 or 2 green chilies according to your taste. Next, in a bowl, I am adding 1.5 cups of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered flaxseed, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon of chili powder. Skip this if adding chili for grinding. 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add the ground onion cilantro paste now. And at last add 3/4 cup of water and mix everything well. For a softer texture of the waffles, add 400 grams of boiled chickpeas, which is coarsely ground. I skipped it because I did not have it for the time being. Add 2 tablespoons water if the mixture is too dry. Next, add quarter cup of coarsely ground peanuts. This is optional, but it gives a nice crunchiness to these waffles. Mix everything together and now let's make the waffles. Brush the waffle maker with oil. Add the falafel batter. I used 5 scoops of the batter for 1 waffle. Close the lid and cook for about 8 minutes. Once done, you can see how perfectly it is cooked. Serve it warm, otherwise it may turn a bit hard. Add coarsely ground boiled chickpeas for a softer texture. This is such an excellent combination. We enjoyed it for breakfast. Try these savory waffles and comment your feedback. Refrigerate the hummus for an hour if the consistency is too thin. Let's try these waffles now. It turned out crunchy. Check out the perfect sprouted chickpeas hummus and hummus crackers recipe in the description. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description too. Got about 2 waffles with the prepared batter. These are quite filling compared to our regular waffles. Garnish the hummus with olive oil and cilantro leaves. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.